24 hours ago, picked up the Z Fold 6. And it's beautiful. It's amazing. It's everything you want in a foldable cell phone. Would I recommend it? No. Let me tell you why. We're in a very weird area right now. We have the Google Pixel Fold 2 coming out in around 20 days. 23 days exactly. We have the OnePlus Open 2 going to be coming out sometime within the next month or so. Samsung did an amazing job with the Z Fold 6. For what it is, it's the same exact battery, but everything else has been upgraded. You have a beautiful outside cover display, very reminiscent of a candy bar cell phone. You have a beautiful inside display. Durability-wise, perfect. You have S Pen support. You don't have an S Pen silo, which is definitely an L. But outside of that, you have beautiful cameras, a beautiful device, and you have almost the same exact device as the Z Fold 5. So, the reason why I wouldn't recommend it is I would wait until we get the other phones on the market. We see how good they are, and then make your personal choice whether or not you want to pick this phone up or not. Recently, we found out that the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra will only be released in China and Korea. Therefore, you're not going to be able to pick that up most likely. And this is the best foldable phone Samsung has to offer. But after 6 generations of this foldable phone, it's almost perfect. It's not really much problems at all with it. But, I keep saying that big but right there, is that the Pixel Fold 2 is going to also be really good. And most likely better than the Z Fold 6. Especially with Google really trying going all out with this product to compete with 6 generations of a foldable phone. So, it's that kind of gray area. Where even if you, let's say, for example, if you have a lot of money, you have a lot of excess money, and you're like, I just want to pick up the best of the best. Right now, the Z Fold 6 is the best of the best. The Google Pixel Fold 2 will probably be the best of the best next month. The OnePlus Open 2 will probably be the best of the best the month after that. That's why I say kind of wait. But also, the second thing to look at is the fact that in about... Actually, I'd say right now, if you go on eBay or you go on any secondhand website, you can find Z Fold 5, Z Fold 4, Z Fold 3s on Amazon, eBay, Mercari, wherever, for a really big discount. Because a lot of people are picking up the Z Fold 6. And that causes a lot of people to sell their device. If they don't trade it in, they're trying to sell on these secondhand websites. And because of that, they're cheap. And everyone's trying to bid against each other. Everyone trying to get sell their phone for the cheapest price possible. And you can get some really good deals on some other Z Fold devices that isn't the Z Fold 6. And again, listen, I'm going to tell you right now, the Z Fold 6 is amazing, but it's $1,900. That's a lot of money to spend. And unless you have excess money that you just want to throw around and go pick up the best of the best, go do it. But you're not going to get much of an upgrade from the Z Fold 5 to Z Fold 6. Not an $1,900 upgrade. You're going to get a decent upgrade. You're going to get the same battery. You're going to get a little bit same exact cameras. You're going to get a beautiful outside display and a little bit lighter as well. And that's pretty much it. So the reason why I wouldn't recommend this phone is because I think you can get better by getting a better deal going with a secondhand product. And going with a used product on a secondhand website. That's why I would recommend going in that direction rather than go ahead and pick up the Z Fold 6 right now. It just isn't worth it. And if you're like, listen, I want to spend that $1,900, then wait. If you are like, I don't want to get a secondhand phone, I don't want to get blah, 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 I don't want to get a cheaper version, I want to get the best of the best, then I recommend you wait until the Z Fold 6, until the Google Pixel Fold 2 and the OnePlus Open 2 comes out. Because those are going to be great products as well, and they could be better and you don't want to have to live with the regret or the buyer's remorse if you buy it now and then realize those are better phones. So right now, you know what you're getting with the Z Fold 6. You're getting a tad bit of an upgrade from the Z Fold 5. The Google Pixel Fold 2 looks to be a humongous upgrade from the Google Pixel Fold 1. The OnePlus Open 2 is going to be the Oppo Find and Fold 4, which is going to be amazing. So just wait, set back, wait until these phones come out, and then make your decision. No reason to, push a decision right now and go get the phone right now at this moment in time when you can wait and make a better decision, or you can go ahead and make a smarter decision and go with a secondhand phone or used cell phone, and then go ahead and get into the foldable phone industry. And the good thing about it is, especially if it's a Samsung Galaxy Z Fold, whatever, 3, 4, 5, a lot of these companies, they actually give you a pretty good trade-in value for those devices. So you might be able to find a Z Fold 6 for, for a Z Fold 6, Z Fold 5 or a Z Fold 4 for around $400 to $500, and then be able to trade it in for more money. So again, always ways to kind of, cheat the system, so help yourself out with the system here. So tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. I'll see you guys next one.